Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Heronbrook Farm. It is fantastic to have you here, as always. Easter Sunday, no peace for the farmers, I'm afraid. No chocolate egg eating for us. We're down at the Riverfront site today with the full team you've just seen arrive because we've got quite a bit of tree surgery to do. So what we're going to do today is we're going to work our way along this streamline that you can see here, clearing back all of the trees that fell down during the winter storms. So we'll do a bit of filming along the way. Hope you enjoy it. Lots of chainsaw action. Let's jump in. Okay, so we've made a plan. What we're going to do is we're going to start here with this tree. We're going to get rid of all of the brash that's here. We're going to have a big fire just on top of that nettle bed. So that's the plan. We'll get on with it. So that's the first tree down. You always forget just how hard work it is, even with a chainsaw. Just having a quick coffee break and then we'll get it cleared away and get the fire started. Okay, so coffee break over. Most of that tree's down now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use the grab on the Wiedemann just to clear some of the big stuff out the way, and then we can get the fire started. Right, so I'm trying to cut this off here, and it's starting to grip the blade of the chainsaw, so I'm just going to wedge it so that it doesn't knacker the saw. Okay, we're going on pretty well. The fire's lit. Our chief fire starter, Will, has got the fire going. We've got a good pile of brash there ready to load onto it. We've just taken a grip of that fallen down tree there with the Wiedemann so that we can cut that off and get that pulled out. But the whole area now is just transformed. So we're just having a little break, having some coffee. So how are you getting on, Will?
Good, I'm good. Got the roaring inferno going.
Good.
It's blazing.
Because you are...
Fire starter.
And how are you getting on, Clocksbury? You alright?
Getting a bit warm.
How's your beard?
Yes. It's getting there, you know.
Almost. Good. Do you think one day you might be able to grow it on your cheeks as well as just under your chin?
I shave it.
Oh, do you? Cool. Right, that's it. It's been a long day. It's about 6:30 in the evening and Peter and I have had enough. Jackie fell in the stream, so she's had to go back and get dried off. But as you can see, we have made quite a difference here in this corner. It's looking fabulous. We'll come back tomorrow. Hello, Tazzy. Hello, boy. So we are just about done, end of the second day, and it looks absolutely fabulous around here. We did manage to clear all the way down through there. I think you can just see behind me. Lots of help from Peter, lots of help from Jackie. I do hope you've enjoyed it. It's been fun having you along whilst we've been doing our maintenance all along the stream. We've done about 200 meters of stream and we've probably got about another 500 meters to go. If you have enjoyed it, do subscribe, hit the like button, share us with your friends, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.